Hey, what's up YouTube? This is the We All Juggle Knives channel. Welcome to my review of this light, the Klarus XT2CR. Yes, this is a tactical light, and as the name implies, this can take two CR123 batteries or one 18650. And it comes with this lanyard, spare O-rings, USB to micro USB recharging cable, a belt holster with the belt loop there, Velcro, and the removable pocket clip. This also comes with a battery, and I might as well show that now. To get at it, remove the tail cap. There's a spring there. And it is a very high quality Klarus 18650. Now, the super bundle that I'm going to link you guys to comes with even more accessories. It comes with a USB light, a wall charger, a car charger. Alright, so even more accessories in the link I'm going to provide. And here are the stats on the light. As you can see, it has 4 brightness levels, but in the tactical setting, which we're going to use, it has 3, because they want it to be as simple as possible in that setting. Also has strobe and SOS. Maximum lumens, 1600. You see the run times there as well. Beam distance, 240 max beam distance, that's meters. Basic operation of the light, well, it's got 2 switches, right, tail switches, a paddle type switch, and the circular switch. Now to turn it on, you press the circular one. It also has momentary on, whereas if you half press it, it'll be on as long as you apply pressure. Right, to cycle through the 3 brightness levels in the tactical mode, you press the other switch, right, so. Now if you want to strobe, you long press this when it's on. Strobe warning. However, when it's off, you can get instant strobe just by again, strobe warning, right? So you have instant momentary on turbo at your fingertip and instant strobe. So that is like the ideal tactical setup for your interface there. And this also has a whole other mode cycle that they call, I think it's like the outdoor setting. It's more for if you're going hunting. And the difference is the outdoor setting has 4 brightness levels instead of 3. And I think it has like OneTouch access to low for reading. Now to recharge the battery in the light, you just plug the cable that it comes with into any USB power source, and then plug the micro USB end into the charging port. It has a charging indicator. When it's charging, it is red, and then when it's fully charged, it will be green. So this has a lot of great structural features as well. First of all, it can tail stand. I don't want to blind you. It can, whoa. It can tail stand. I mean, it's not the most stable, but see, it's got those, so you can do it. It's also got the bezel, right? Now, there's several benefits of that. First of all, if you set it down like that, because of that, you can see if it's on or off. That's cool. It can also be used as a striking surface to lay the smack down. Now this is also streamlined. That's very nice for a tactical light. The head of the light is no greater in diameter than the body. There's a few benefits to that. One, it's less cumbersome. It's easier to move around quickly in a tactical situation. It's easier to unholster it, right? So it's not unwieldy. It's just, you know, it's very useful when you're using it in conjunction with a firearm. Hey, what's up YouTube? I was going out to the testing board with this Klarus light, but there's a critter in my path. I'll show you. Let's light it up. Skunk alert. Well, I'm glad it's going that way because I gotta go test out this this light on the board. Okay, anyway, now that we've dodged a skunk, here it is on the testing board, this Klarus light. This is the turbo mode. All right, let's cycle through. That is pretty bright. All right, YouTube, let's do the strobe. Strobe warning, big warning. There is the strobe. It's even more disorienting if you go like that. Alright, so that's the Klarus light on the testing board. Let's go do more stuff with this light. Okay, YouTube, we're up in the second story window with this Klarus light. Let's shine it around. Let's say you heard a bump in the night. There's the wood pile, the chairs, the testing board. That's where the skunk went, over there. So this definitely does a great job of lighting up stuff at backyard distances. Hey, what's up, YouTube? We're out in the field testing out this Klarus light. Let's do a top view of the beam shot. Top view of the beam shot there. Very bright. Alright, YouTube, we're at the sports field. Going to see if I can hit the goal across the field with this Klarus light. Hold on. Alright, I'm shining it directly at it, but I don't think it can hit it. At least not that you can see on camera. Alright, so not really a thrower. Not really a thrower. And here is the creek with the Klarus light. It's lighting it up very well. Yeah, this is excellent at likely tactical distances. Alright, very nice. Klarus light at Frog Creek. Alright, YouTube, we are back. So, final thoughts on this Klarus. Well, it's very, very good at what it does or what it is designed to do, which is to be a tactical flashlight, meaning something that could be used by police or by someone defending their home or their property. Yeah, this did everything well, except it did not cross that 100-meter soccer field very well. But see, that's okay because this is not that type of light. It's not meant to be a thrower, right? I mean, I could easily show you lights that can cross 100 meters no problem, but, you know, they're going to look like this. Right? They're not streamlined, it's just very unwieldy for a tactical situation. I would much rather have this in a tactical situation. So it's a trade-off. I mean, they had to streamline it, so that's why. But the reason this is so good for its purpose, the OneTouch momentary on, OneTouch turbo, and strobe warning, OneTouch strobe. And that is a very disorienting strobe. I'll spare you, but it's very disorienting if I go like that. Right, that's the ideal setup. Right, and tail switch, again, you know, side switches are okay, but for this type of light, you definitely want the tail switches so you can do, you know, the reverse grip. And the switches are shaped completely differently, so you're never going to mix those up, and you can easily identify them by touch. Pretty much all the best tactical lights have that setup. Whether I know Klarus uses it, Nightcore also uses it, a few other brands use, you know, their own version, and the ability to use the 2CR 123 batteries, very important for military guys. I've heard many of my viewers that are veterans say they don't want to mess around out in some foreign country with you know, an 18650 lithium-ion battery. All their stuff is standardized for the primary CR123s. So the fact that this can take those, that is very useful. Now the price on this is very reasonable. The Super Bundle, and I'll include the Amazon link to the Super Bundle, which has all the useful accessories, that's around $75 right now. That's very good for such a light. Yeah, that is quite bright. I can feel the heat. I can feel the heat right there. But overall, yeah, definitely highly recommend this light. Klarus makes some good stuff. Hope you enjoyed seeing this light. This has been We All Juggle Knives, and in this case, flashlights. I'm out.